Hey, Muhammadul Rebel here. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create sales funnel with Facebook. So, there are a lot of sales funnel. Click funnels, one of them. You need to get click funnels for 1 month. It is cost you and like $97. It is a basic plan, and if you create a sales funnel with WordPress, you need to um, you need to earn some money to create sales funnel. But in this video I'm gonna share with you how to create sales funnel with Facebook. I mean, how to structure like sales funnel that generate leads, generate affiliate sales, and generate your own sales if you have any course or if you have any books. So how to create that? So it is my profile. I use this for example. So here is my cover photo. I use here my uh, affiliate marketing secrets group. I go to Canva and make this cover and upload in cover photo. So uh, go my when people go to my uh, cover photo profile, first they see this cover photo and they join here. If they click here, they go to my group. So I use this uh, for invite people to join my group. And then here is my intro. So in this intro I use my lead magnet. So here is my lead magnet: get funnel and affiliate marketing secrets course and books for free. So when they click here, they go to my website. So get your funnel and affiliate marketing secrets course and books. So it is like chatbot. So anyway, so in timeline we pushed many great content in our niche. So we go here is my affiliate marketing niche. So I promote my YouTube video, affiliate marketing secretly built. So we create content that people like, people love to watch, read. So, and after organizing our profile, what we need to do is we need to join Facebook group that related to our niche. So for example, my niche is affiliate marketing. So I when I click here, I get lot of Facebook group here. So you can click here group. So here all the group you can find. So you need to join and group. So I don't recommend join all the group. It mess up all the things. So I request you to join 25 or 30 groups first. That is high engagement, and people pushed it here and seeking for help. So after join 30 groups, you need to engage with only 5 groups. So you just go through all the groups. After that you find group that most helpful, most engagement. So when you find all those 5 groups, you start to helping them with commenting. So if anyone need help in, so you just comment and solve their problem. And you also um, post a content like videos or text format. So etc. So after do this, what people do is they want to see your profile and they click your profile. So after clicking your profile, so here is my profile. So after clicking my profile, they see like this. So they see first your cover photo, and they see your group link. So when they click here, they find here. So you need to add description your group link. So they when they click here, I click here to join group. So when they click here, they find a link and click, and they join your group. And when they join your group, you you collected email from them. When they first join your group, you have to option the collected email, and doesn't matter. We first educate them in our group, in your niche. So for example, if your niche is affiliate marketing, you need to write content about affiliate marketing, posting it, helping people. This is the real thing, helping people. Help as much as you can. So when you help people trust you. When you then you recommend any product to them, they buy from you any hesitation. So that is the real method of create sales funnel. You can build audience your group, so your audience, and also you build email list with Facebook group. So it is a very very good free funnel you can use if you have no click funnels or any fancy uh, sales funnels. So it is one of the great method you can use to generate clients, leads, or affiliate sales, anything you want. So this is the method. Thank you so much.